Hello, hi, welcome back to Playwright with JavaScript. In today's video, I'm going to talk about uh, locator with a get by role. There is a locator by which you can point to the object or you can perform the operational object by using the get by role. This one. So we're going to discuss about that. So just I'll take the code which I already prepared. Copy this. I'll go to the Visual Studio and I'll paste it here. So before executing this, I'll go to this website. So I'll open this website. You can have an idea. So if you see here, there are checkboxes here. This is one checkbox. Click on this checkbox, default checkbox. I think you are able to see. And there are four more checkboxes here. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. So how to perform the action on these checkboxes? So what we need to do? So just take the text. For example, I'll take the first checkbox. I'll explain. I'll explain this. So whatever the text is displaying on the web page, that text you need to put here. For example, if you see here, this is the text. This text. The text which is displaying on the web page after the checkbox. You we need to copy the text and we need to put this name. Name is a reserved, and the text which is displaying on the page, you need to copy this one and you need to paste it here. And on which object you are performing the action. So that object name you need to put. That's a checkbox. How to get this is a checkbox or not? Just right click this, inspect this. So if you see here, this is a checkbox. This is a checkbox. So you need to perform the action on this. I'll copy this so that you can have an idea. This is the element from the web page. So this on this we want to perform the action. So that object name you need to put it here, and the text which is displaying after that object you need to copy this. Like this, you have to create the locator. This is the complete locator. In this, and the API which we can use get by role is the API. This is the playwright method which is there under the page class get by role. Get by role means you can perform the action on the role by checkbox, list, um, um, button, the different things. I'll just go to the website. I'll show you. Uh, just refresh this and get by. See, if you go here, this is the get by API. I'll just go through this. You can understand. Get by role. So get by role, you can perform. If you see the API, what they are telling you can perform the action on this button checkbox and just maximize it so that you can see. So if you see the API of the Playwright, what they are saying, you can perform the action. Yeah, uh, yeah. If you see here, role locator include button, checkboxes, headings, link, list, tables, and many more. So you can perform the action get by role on these different objects, button, checkboxes, heading, link, list, table. So here, for our example, I took the checkbox. So quickly, I'll run the program. You can get an idea. This is our program. I'm just trying to click on the first checkbox, default checkbox, option 1, option 2, option 3, and option 4. So this I'll go that application. So this is not this. Checkboxes. Not this. I'll copy this. I will copy on this so that you can have an idea. So, so this is the checkboxes. This is the page where I'm going to perform the action. I'm going to click on this checkbox. Even I'm going to click this. When you click this, it will uncheck. When you check again, it will check. So and I'm going to click checkbox this all the checkboxes. Okay. So this is what I'm going to run. So quickly I run this program. Just npx playwright test. So it's going to select all the checkboxes which I prepared the code. See here, it has select on the selecting option 1, option 2, option 3, option. So like this, it will perform the action. So you can use get by role for the checkboxes. This is all about the checkboxes. Now, similarly, I'm going to take perform the action get by role on the button. So I just prepared this code. I'll copy this. So here I am trying to click on the button get by role. So here if I will take the application first so that you can have an idea. Copy this, paste it, paste the application here. So here I'm going to click on this button, show message. So how to create this, how to perform the action on the button? We'll just copy this and expand this. Same thing, just this is for button. So whatever the text is displaying, you need to copy and paste it here, and name your report. This is syntax. You cannot change this one. And what what object you are want to perform. So that is the button. So I want to perform the action on the button. This is the button. Just right click this. If you see, copy this one. Sorry. Just copy that element. See, this is the button. You need to copy this button and paste it here. And this is the method button you need to put, and whatever the text is displaying. This is the text is displaying. Show message. You need to copy and paste it. And we want to perform the action click. That is what going to do. So before that, I'm just trying to enter the value here by using the um, get by placeholder. I already explained. I'll explain this also. So get by placeholder is, this is also one type of locator API. What we need to do is just right click this, inspect, okay, and copy this element, and it put it here. So there is a attribute called placeholder. This placeholder, in this input tag, there is an attribute called placeholder. So by using the attribute, you can perform the action. So what we need to do, you need to copy the text under that attribute, copy this one, and paste it here. And you need to use the method get by placeholder. Get by placeholder is a method under page class, and you need to put the value of that placeholder inside that HTML tag, and what action you want to perform. I want to fill means you want to enter the text. That is what all about it. I'll just run this program. You can get an idea how it is performed. Just click. I have ran the program. So it has opened the application, and it has entered the value, and it has clicked on this. So once it click this button, whatever the text we entered, it is displaying here, and it successfully ran. I just put this. When this pop-up will come means when you use this page.pause, it will pause your page. Sorry about that. This is all about your button. Get by role on button. Similarly, I to I prepared for another object, that is hyperlink. So this is all about the hyperlink. I'll just copy this code and paste it here. So first I'll go to this application and show you what is this application. Copy this one and paste the URL here. so this is the hyperlinks. If you see here, it is showing the hand symbol. That is nothing but hyperlink. This is hyperlink. This is also hyperlink. So I'm going to perform the action on this hyperlink. This is also one hyperlink. Same name, input forms. But when you give the link and input form, this text, if you see this text is displayed on the web page. it is point to the two objects. I'll just show you. Control F, Control V. See if it's see it is point to the first object and it's point to the second object. First object, first is the tab and it's point. So whenever you use the any label from the web page, it will point to the first object. I'll copy this, I'll explain this one. Again, this is also get by role, object, navigation, hyperlink, and um, another get get by role. So we are giving the link here, and whatever the text displaying, you need to give it, and we want to perform the action click. So here we are using two get by role, one here, one here. Actually, this is our intention. On which object we are performing the action? We are performing the action on the hyperlink. So that you need to put hyperlink link here, and this is the reserved. Same thing you need to put. And whatever the text displaying on this page, you need to put here. So quickly, I'll run this program. You can understand this. This is same. Similarly, checkbox. And I just ran this program. You'll see the action on the web page. So it is click on the input data table. Yes, it has clicked on the four objects, four or five objects. First is input form, data pick, data table, demo like this. So like this, you can perform the action by using the get by role. So this is all about today's video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, just update in the comment. Thanks for watching and share this to your friends. And there are a lot of openings for the playwright in the market. So if you follow my videos from the first, you can understand all from the basic. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.